Okay, it is Thursday, July 23rd. Thank you for tuning in. If you tune in at all, we managed to snag some profit yesterday, so that was good. Let's see if we can do it again today. We have Tesla after close today, I think, earnings. Generally into the news for Tesla in particular, I've always noticed like a sell-off into it and then a Friday pop. Don't quote me on that, but like I remember saying it before. There's a 1,000 lot spoofer on ES at 74.67. Yeah, I'm trading these legacy 250Ks pretty frugally with 3 micros, and I'm almost at the threshold for a payout. And it's 5 of them, so it's gonna be nice. And there's gonna be no like cap on that because it's legacy. Because the new ones, I got one of the new ones to 4 payouts, and then I did something stupid and blew it up. But either way, I would have only been able to get 2 more payouts before they cycle it. Like they have a life cycle on their old, the new accounts, but the legacy ones don't. So I think they're gonna play around with that legacy comeback new account, like, 50-50 to see which of their audience prefers and then go back that direction. Apex always like kind of like throw different stuff at the wall and see what sticks. Like they're not afraid to change it up. But yeah, I wasn't, when they switched to the new accounts, I wasn't a big fan of the limit on the payout. It chewed through that 1,000 lot on ES. It actually filled it. Another 1,000 lot at 74.62-ish. Yep. Red, 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 red. Let's save this template as is. We're kind of at a region, we're tapping into a region where it consolidated on Monday and Tuesday of this week before popping up. Otherwise, you have those other Friday low at 28.4. Let's mark that previous swing low. Okay, let's mark off some TPO, volume points of control. I went to like a pool on a field trip for work today, got a bunch of sun. It felt good, but tires you out. It's pretty powerful. Put on sunscreen, but still your body can feel that heat. Okay. Okay, that's everything. Did they hit the 1,000? They did not, but they did move it. This is a pretty nasty hourly candle. Last 2 hours just straight downside. Ooh, we got an 800 lot at 28,712. First spoofer on the night for NQ. Where did that go? Let's see. What's loud? Sounds pretty loud.
I'm tired, but I'm wide awake. In darkness, I can see your face. When you're with me, there's no pain. A vision and you're gone again. And I don't know where you've gone. And you never told me what was wrong. And I know life will carry on, but I forget how to be strong when the sun goes down. 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 And I don't know where you've gone. And you never told me what was wrong. And I know
Another 354 lot at 28,750.
will carry on, but I forget how to be strong when the sun goes down. 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 When the sun goes
Okay. They're gonna tag these guys at 750. What is down at 750? Let's kind of the July 17th volume point of control at 757. It's kind of where we reacted. Have some slight divergence, so sweep and then peel out could be possible. What else is down there? Let's see if any nodes are there. How about in this region? We're kind of under one. It's kind of Friday to Tuesday node. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Ice cream. I love some Baskin Robbins. It's pretty good. So we're kind of in a golden pocket for the push-up from Friday to Wednesday. It is Thursday, so although we didn't really go anywhere all week, Monday kind of went up to go down back where we started. Tuesday we peeled up to the top of the range, broke out a little bit, fell back down to Wednesday, which went pop back up and meandered around a lot. Now we're shit in the bed back down to Monday. Shit in the bed back to Monday. Phew. Awareness. Okay. Order field. Bunghole field. Let's go see if it sweeps that 750 region.
divided by 2 in time. Sunset, sunrise for you. By casting shadows, emitting halos.
Alright.
They all
No.
want
I would like DS.
part of you. It's on your heart, so hold the thread.
Oops.
Keep them going strong until
Getting some 50 lot buyers at 770, kind of jittering away from them. I'm in a light short, well, by light, a mini, but entry protected up at 780. We'll just cover the fees here. See where she goes. Buyer absorption for the win, baby. Let's go. Buyer absorption for the win. Ooh, instant 800 bucks or 700 bucks. Nice. Hit my TP. We're done early on those accounts. All right. That's nice. Here I was thinking it's gonna be like scraping gum off the bottom of the shoe, and it didn't do it at all. I took that short. I saw some buyers get absorbed, and I was like, it's gonna go for the 350 lot, and it did. So we just made 700 bucks. We just swept, what was that? That was a 354 lot and a 99 lot seller at 750. Yowza. Somebody got stopped. The 820 lot at 712 is still there. Now we are in the 0.66 level of the retracement of that push up from Friday all the way to Wednesday. The retracement, deeper retracement levels down at sub 700, so 712 could still get swept. We're just watching. Alright. Now just the apex. Yesterday it was kind of like this, where it swept like with the Trump tweet, like 600 lot sellers, cumulative, and then swept up with no volume for the first 45 minutes. We'll see. I'm patiently waiting to see if that 822 lot gets swept. Let's see if a spoofer is back on ES. What is ES doing? Oh, the 1000 lot's back at 74.55. I wonder when Top Step, on their Discord, I see different things people post in the paid out traders, like for like sub channel, whatever you want to call it. But they, you know, some people get moved up to live, but they get moved up after like 2 payouts, but then some don't. So I wonder what their criteria for telling people they're moving up to live or whatever is. It's not exactly written clear. But I am though. I've extracted over 40K this year from them. But I blow them up and do it again. So I wonder if you're like steadily doing it, they do that, or if you're more volatile, they just see what, you know, what is the, how did I, because the person that posted about it that got moved up like only took like 2 payouts, but I've taken like huge amount from them and never gotten the email. I'm not looking forward to it, but I'm just wondering what pings them or whatever so I can avoid it. Because I'm happy to keep doing what I'm doing without going to the live. Because then it's a different tax thing. Because you're earning as a contractor from them, so you don't have the same capital gains taxes. Yeah, that's true. And they like broadcast the people's names all over their like Top Step TV thing. They're like, and let's look at Jay's account. Yesterday he had a red day. He better keep it in check or blah, blah, blah. Like, you know, they like, I think within their stipulations, they're allowed to like, you know, blast you. And then they have like live trader rankings and stuff. So that adds an added layer of like psych out to get people to compete. It's like, I don't want to be a part of that. I just want the money. That's it. They do have a fair amount of people on there though, so if they did call me onto their show, I would not be opposed to the idea, but that would be cool. I don't know how you get into that. But they had that thing that they posted on their Twitter, or the CEO did, about like getting these pins and stuff for getting a certain amount of payouts. Like that type of thing I like, where it's like they'll give you like a hat that you can't get unless you've had a certain amount from them. So that type of milestone I like. I don't like competing against other people, but I like competing against myself for getting something rare. That's fun. All right, you going for that 1,000 lot at 74.52 ES? The 1,000 lot went lower. Trying to guide the price. It's like an opposite type of spoofer that's like wanting to actually get filled, but at a lower price. It's weird. Now the 800 lot on NQ is moved down to the What is that? 670 region? 28,670? It's down there. It's probably deep. To the deep. Let's go. Yeah, 680 is Tuesday's bounce zone, sub bounce zone. Yo. Where does that put? I like it a lot. Do. 97% win rate. Yeah, I don't get what puts them on the radar. Most of the accounts, like, I have these streaks and then I blow them up in one day, but I have like these streaks and take a bunch of payouts and then I explode them. I detonate them. Do it again. "12 minutes. I think those are after hours. I'm not sure. Was it? I thought it was today. My bad. Snap. Hold on a sec. Back. Wait, you're right, it was Wednesday. So there's... Well then. Oh yeah. Looks like we're gonna go to the 680s. I'm waiting for some sellers to get hit and I concur. Seems like they're aiming at something. They just hit a couple 80 lots of sellers at the 700s. We also got the Monday low sub beneath that at 680. There's the 20 points beneath the low, previous day low kind of thing I've seen react before. A lot of people target the low, but then there's like, if you look, they sweep 20 points below the low and then rally, because they trigger all the stops and then they go. So 680 is about where that's at. Although I've seen recently it's like switched to 35 points below the low, so we'll see. There's no delta being expressed yet. It's like negative 1K for the day so far. A minute and some change till the open. We swept that 300 lot seller just as a reminder, because you weren't here. 354 lot at 750 and a 99 lot there too. So if the strength starts to, for buyers, starts there really. Right now the sellers are in control until there. One minute. Five seconds. The sweep to the 80s happened. Where did we go? That was a 40 point below the previous day of one day rather. I'm in 3 micros. Nice. I'm letting this soak. Nice. Once again, that seller is at 750. If it goes up and retests it, you might want to take a gander at what it does there. qualifying day. If it pulls back, it pulls back, but I'm qualifying to stay either way. Alright, good enough. It's probably gonna keep going, but good thing I locked in something. Maybe we can see what it does. Dang it. The violence continues. News. It's definitely better than yesterday. Yesterday sucked. Yeah, the 750 is that seller we were talking about. This is where that gander, take a gander, means seller fatigue occurs. Line bounce. Yep. Same. I was like, where was I? Down at Agreed. Yep, it's just crazy. I just always joke with my wife and just people that know I trade. I'm just like, yeah, just push buttons, you make money. I'm a button pusher. Have a long day. Nice, Woke. You got it. Thousand lot on ES moved up to 74.67. Spoofer on NQ is gone. We got a 116 lot seller at 866. Bam. Nice. Yeah, have a good one, man. Bounced off that seller, 124 lot at 837. But continue. That's why it's like, yeah, I was saying the other day to Woke or somebody who was having difficulty, I was saying like, if you just hunt micros and just chill, it's like you end up taking less trades and there's less stress and it becomes like a positive circle. The spoofer on the ES is gone. Let's see if they move. You're on NQ now? Nope, nothing. Damn, we hit a 600 lot seller at 810. Somebody got tagged in. Now there's some sellers. Now there's a 1500 lot on ES looking to get filled by because it entered as it went down, or it's putting it there as a lure to drag it down to it. Huh. They tagged a partial of it, disappeared. Is there anyone who isn't? I think everyone is. Nope. There's another 500 lot on NQ at 750. That 600 lot seller at 810 got filled, so let's see if it fills this guy. This is more interesting than yesterday. At least there's volume. Yesterday there was nothing. I guess it was the pre-Tesla day. Now after Tesla. Have a good one. Okay. Oop, they filled it. Another 500 seller entered the party at 750. Now we're getting some volume. Negative 3K delta expressed on the day. Sellers making their footprint known. I took the seller fatigue bounce off the 500 lot that it came above at 751. I'm up like 200 ticks. Oh snap, getting paid. Nice. I'm just targeting like a cool 300 ticks and that's it. Ooh, we just hit another buyer up here. 500 lot buyer at 810. 820 something. I just took profit. I'm out. 600, 500, 655 bucks on a bunch of accounts. Nice. And we just hit another 300 lot buyer, so that's 800 buyers, one at 810, one at 825, so yeah. Mm-hmm. There's a lot of contracts exchanging hands here. Glad I took profit. Damn. That's gotta be quick on the draw. Thank goodness I set my target frugally. No, I was long and I was up like 300 ticks and I took profit as I saw the 500 lot get bought at 810. I put my target and got hit, so I'm out 655 across a bunch of accounts. I just now start to minimize the risk, so it's just 3 micros, so it's like and we're back. Nice. We're back below the sellers, so yeah, that's why I'm like, I hide behind those big lots, and when I see it go, you know, I use them as shields. Yeah, that's not, that's a, yeah, that's, on that note, ladies and gents, we will catch you tomorrow. So stay frugal, stay positive, stay blessed, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace. Friday, TGIF. Oh, we could give out the Apex tomorrow too. Let's do it.